The JBL PartyBox Encore Essential is a compact yet powerful party speaker designed to bring energy to any gathering. With its strong 100 baud output, built-in light show, and portable design, it's perfect for house parties, outdoor events, and casual entertainment setups. Key features explained 100 powerful JBL Original Pro sound. The speaker delivers up to 100 bass RMS output with a dedicated woofer and tweeters, producing loud, dynamic sound with deep bass and clear vocals. It's powerful enough to fill a room or small outdoor space with immersive audio. Built-in dynamic light show. A standout feature is the LED light ring and strobe effects that sync with the beat of your music. This creates a lively party atmosphere and adds a visual experience alongside the audio. Up to 6 hours of playtime. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to around 6 hours of playback, allowing you to keep the party going without needing constant power. IPX4 splash-proof design. With IPX4 splash resistance, the speaker can handle splashes, spills, and light rain, making it suitable for poolside or outdoor use, though not fully waterproof. Wireless Bluetooth and multi-source playback. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth or connect using USB and AUX inputs. This flexibility makes it easy to play music from different devices. Wireless pairing, TWS for bigger sound. Using true wireless stereo, TWS, you can pair two PartyBox speakers together for a wider stereo sound and more powerful output. Great for larger parties. Microphone input for karaoke. The speaker includes a wired microphone input, allowing you to turn your party into a karaoke session. Perfect for entertainment and fun gatherings. JBL PartyBox App Control. With the companion app, you can control music, adjust settings, and customize the lighting effects directly from your smartphone for a more personalized experience. Overall, the JBL PartyBox Encore Essential is a great choice for users who want a compact party speaker with strong sound, fun lighting effects, and versatile features. It's ideal for small to medium parties, offering a balance of portability, performance, and entertainment features.